Hello students, today's start with the next lesson electronic components. Then next point B, variable resistors. What is mean by variable resistors? It is a commonly called as a resistors in low current circuit like in electronic circuit. Small variable resistor are called as a potentiometer or पोर्ट्स मीन्स जे स्मॉल व्हेरिएबल रेजिस्टर आहे त्यांना काय म्हणणार आहे आपण तर पोटेंटायोमीटर और पोर्ट्स. दिस पोटेंटायोमीटर नेम प्रॉपरली ऑर्गनाइज्ड फ्रॉम द वर्क पोटेंशियल डिवाइडर. व्हेरिएबल रेजिस्टर्स आर नॉर्मली यूज्ड इन अ रेडियो और ऑडियो इक्विपमेंट. मीन्स रेडिओ और ऑडिओ मीन्स रेकॉर्डिंग अँड कम्युनिकेशनसाठी सुद्धा तुम्ही व्हेरिएबल रेजिस्टर्सचा यूज करणार आहे. देन व्हॉल्यूम कंट्रोल, कॉन्ट्रास्ट अँड ब्राइटनेस कंट्रोल इन TV set. According to material used, this resistor are classified into two types. First is a carbon type and second one is a wire wound type. Next आपण त्याच्या टाईपचे डिटेलमध्ये डिस्कशन करूया. A variable resistor is a resistor of which the electric resistance value can be adjusted. A variable resistor is in essential an electromechanical transistor and normally work by a sliding a contact means vapor over a resistive element. This called as a variable resistors. And then next your exam view question, what is meant by variable resistance? It is a variable resistor is a resistor of which the electric resistance value can be adjusted. A variable resistor is in essential an electromechanical transistor and normally works by sliding a contact over a resistive element. These resistors are called as a digital potentiometers. मीन्स जो रेजिस्टर आपण डिक्लेअर केलेला आहे, कसा डिक्लेअर केलेला आहे आता आपण बघितलं की रेजिस्टर काय आहे तर इलेक्ट्रिक रेजिस्टन्स व्हॅल्यू जो ॲडजस्ट करतो त्याला आपण इसेन्शियल इलेक्ट्रोमेकॅनिकल ट्रान्झिस्टर तो व्हेरिएबल आपण रेजिस्टर असाइन करतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे तर डिजिटल पोटेंटायोमीटर्स. Next point, carbon type potentiometers. Basically, the construction of all potentiometers is the same. In this type, a malleable metal pointer known as a vapor moves on the circular carbon resistive track as shown in figure. This vapor is attached to a shaft. It may be metal or a plastic shaft. Look at this figure. Resistance wire winding. जी त्यांनी resistance wire winding डिक्लेअर केलेली आहे. Then rotating contact. जो कॉन्टॅक्ट आहे तो रोटेटिंग फॉर्मॅटमध्ये आहे. Then 3 terminals are using the carbon type potentiometers and last one is a shift. Next, resistive carbon material is deposited on a backplate piece. Variable resistor always have 3 terminals as shown in figure. Terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3 are a fixed terminal and 2 as a variable terminal. When terminal 1 and 3 are connected in the circuit, you will get fixed and maximum resistance. When 1st and 2nd or 2nd and 3 terminals are connected, you will get variation in resistance when you rotated and the shift. Means 3 terminal कशाला connected आहे तर rotated connectorला, shiftला and resistance wire winding. Next, what is a carbon potentiometer? Carbon potentiometers use carbon materials as a resistive element. These are used in a low power circuit. These resistors can be constructed in film or modulated track types. It is provided with the 3 terminals, 2 of them connected to the ends of the carbon track as shown in the figure. आपण फिगरमध्ये ते बघितलं की 3 टर्मिनल त्यांनी डिक्लेअर केलेले आहे, तर ते विपरला अँड शिपला कनेक्टेड आहे. नेक्स्ट, वायर ओन resistors made up by winding a thin metal alloy wire onto an insulating ceramic former in the form of a serial helix. मीन्स जर आपण फिगर बघत आहे ते स्क्वेअर फॉर्मॅटमध्ये त्यांनी थिन अँड मेटल अलाउ केलेला आहे वायर वॉन्ड. नेक्स्ट, अवेलेबल इन व्हेरी लो अँड high precise values, means from 0.01 to 100 kilo omega. Next, basic principle of construction of wire owned variable resistors is a simple. The most common example of this type is rheostats. In this type, wire is a wound on an open ring of a ceramic which is covered with the various enable. Then the special of such type is a high power handling capacity and very small and accurate change of a resistance. Then shows the figure the construction of wire owned port and rheostats in wire owned variable resistance. Non-linear resistor is also available. Non-linearity in the resistors is achieved by using tapered strip on which resistive wire is a wound. Means आपण rheostats बघणार आहोत wire on potentiometers. Look at this figure. Rheostats resistance wire on ceramic rod. जो रॉड दर्शविलेला आहे तो काय आहे ते ceramic wire. This is a circular form. Leads welded to end cap and coated case. मीन्स त्या सिरॅमिक रॉडला सुद्धा त्यांनी कोटेड केलेला आहे, तर मेटलने त्यांनी कोटेड केलेला आहे. नेक्स्ट, आपण नेक्स्ट स्क्रीनमध्ये अदर रेजिस्टर्स बघूया. बिकॉज ऑफ अ लार्ज डेव्हलपमेंट इन सेमीकंडक्टर्स टेक्नॉलॉजी इन ॲडिशन टू डायोड अँड ट्रान्झिस्टर, स्पेशल टाईप ऑफ रेजिस्टर्स आर मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग विच मे बी कॉल्ड ॲज अ ॲक्टिव्ह रेजिस्टर्स. नेक्स्ट, फर्स्ट पॉईंट, thermistor. A thermistor is a semiconductor device whose resistance varies with temperature but change in resistance in a nonlinear. Conductors show very small change in resistance, but thermistor can increase or decrease its resistance by more value, and thermistor can be NTC or PTC type. मीन्स थर्मिस्टर काय आहे तर ते सेमीकंडक्टरचा नॉन लिनियर पार्ट आहे. अँड देन थर्मिस्टर कॅन ऑल्सो NTC और PTC टाइप. देन लुक ॲट दिस फिगर. थर्मिस्टर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बेड थर्मिस्टर and this thermistor and rod thermistor. This is a type of a thermistor. Then negative temperature coefficient of a resistance and it increase, then it is called as a positive temperature. Coefficient of a resistance PTC means negative temperature coefficient means NTC and positive temperature coefficient of resistance means PTC. Thermistors are used in a many applications like a measurement of a temperature, temperature control and temperature compensation. Means temperature controlling करण्याचं काम कोण करणार आहे तर थर्मिस्टर करणार आहे. नेक्स्ट, thermistor symbol. Look at this screen. Square and standing line and also curve this line. This is a symbol for a thermistor. Next, second point, light dependent resistors. This is short as a LDR. It is a photosensitive device whose resistance decreases with the increase in light intensity. The symbol is actually in figure. Cadmium sulfide materials is used for this purpose. Its dark resistance is about 100 kilo ohms and it decreases with the increase in light. LDR is widely used in many applications like automatic, straight light, control, alarm, etc. मीन्स आपण बघतच आहे की ते स्टँडिंग लाईनचे 2 रॉड आपल्याला दिसत आहे अँड देन आपण कर्व शेपमध्ये जरी बघितलं तरी आपल्याला तो लाईट फॉर्मॅटमध्ये मेसेज पास करणार आहे तर तो 100 किलो ओमेगा अँड इट डिक्रीज विथ द इन्क्रीज इन अ लाईट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट व्हॅजिस्टर. सॉरी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपण एक्झाम व्यू क्वेश्चन बघूया. व्हॉट आर द 2 टाइप्स ऑफ अ लाईट डिपेंडंट रेजिस्टर? Light dependent resistor LDR or photo resistor fall into one of the 2 types of categories. Intrinsic photoresistor. Intrinsic photoresistor use undoped semiconductor materials including silicon or germanium. Photons fall on the LDR, excite electrons, moving them from the valence band to the conduction band. Next point, resistor. It is also a non-linear resistor in which resistance is made up variable to voltage. It is also known as a voltage dependent resistor. There are 2 types, silicon carbide VDR and second point metal oxide VDR. Resistor are used in a industrial application and TV circuits for a surge suppression. This is a look at this figure, 220 voltage. Then LDR, VDR and thermistor also using the resistor. Definition of resistor is a 2-terminal semiconductor device made up of protects the electrical and electronic device from over voltage transients. Its resistance is depend on the applied input voltage. Next point, the word varistor is a form by the combining variable and resistors. Means varistor हा जो वर्ड क्रिएट झालेला आहे तो कोणत्या दोन वर्डने यूज झालेला आहे तर व्हेरिएबल अँड रेजिस्टर. It also known as a voltage dependent resistor VDR whose resistance change automatically with the corresponding change in the voltage across it. It is always placed in a shut with the device being protected. This is basically done to protect the voltage surges. Next point, capacitors. Capacitors is second important passive component commonly observed in electrical and electronic circuit. Many times it is called as a condenser. Basically, it is used to store electrical energy and to deliver the store energy. Means जो कॅपॅसिटर वर्क काय करणार आहे तो जो स्टोअर केलेली इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी आहे तर ती डिलिव्हर करणार आहे स्टोअर एनर्जीकडे. Then this component has specific capacity of storing charge across it, hence name as a capacitor. त्याच्यामुळे याचं नेम आपण कॅपॅसिटर ठेवण्यात आलेले आहे. Then they are available in a fixed and variable types. Their capacity is measured in a farad. They are available in a typical range of a picofarads to microfarads. A capacitor consists of a 2 parallel conducting surfaces separated by an insulator called as a dielectric material. Different symbol of a look at this figure. First, non-polar symbol. Second, electrolytic polar. Then third one is a non-polar symbol and last one is a variable symbol. This is the symbols of a capacitor. A capacitor is formed by 2 parallel conducting plates separated by an insulating material. Insulators are like a mica, paper, ceramic called as a dielectric. In electronic circuit, capacitor plays an important role like a resistor. It has got many applications such as in photo camera or a flash in power supply used as a filter. Next, capacitor charging. As shown in figure, when battery is connected across the capacitor, current flows through the circuit, current meter is connected for the indication. Before connecting the battery, the number of electrons on plate A and plate B are equal, but when battery is connected across it, electrons are accumulated on a plate A because they cannot be flow through dielectric. An electrostatic force is developed by the plate A gives a pressure to plate B. This look at this figure. Figure मध्ये काय दाखवलेले आहे त्याने dielectric figure A, dielectric B plate, A plate. This is a look at this plate, positive symbols and electrons, and then voltage plus and minus voltage are also connected with the two plates A and B. Next figure B, it is a voltage, VC, current and time. This is a average of a voltage. Thank you students. Keep watch my video. आणि व्हिडिओ बघितल्यानंतर तुम्ही कमेंट मध्ये तुमचा रोल नंबर आणि नेम मेन्शन करा.